Jeepy. When she comes back, she'll no longer be stock. So, as you're about to see in this video, we are gonna show you how we got to here. Oh, I don't even really need to move that out of my way. No front axle. There's the stock axle, which technically we're putting another stock axle back in. This is out of a 4-cylinder TJ or XJ, I don't know. I picked it up secondhand, but it is 410 geared. Yes, I know it's a low pinion. This is not going to stay in here. Having a TJ Rubicon 44 front that is, we're going to be doing gears, truss, all sorts of shit, probably 513 gears. Don't know what locker we're going to run yet, but in this video we'll show you basically stripping down the front end. Then the next video will be showing you guys us putting this one all together. I've got a little lunchbox locker that's going in this. I'm going to try and retain the ABS. I don't know if I can, but we'll put the ABS axle shafts out of the other Dana 30. New hub bearings, it'll get new brakes, and we'll be able to show you guys kind of the whole process of this build. It'll have an 8/8 swap done in the rear. I think I'm going to break this down into 5 or 6 videos, just to keep them a little bit shorter, so y'all can find some stuff more interesting and kind of be able to see a little bit more. And we will, I don't know if it'll be 5 or 6. I may make the taking this out and putting that together all one, and then do the rear, taking it apart, putting it together, and then kind of show y'all some of the little in-between stuff. We have frame stiffeners that are going on this. Got to fix the driver door. There's a whole huge list of stuff to do on this guy. So anyways, enjoy. Is the cap stuck in the end of that now?
No, there's no fucking cap.
Oh, it's a 18.
Not anymore.
Well. Jesus, this is gonna be a nightmare. Give me a second. God, fuck! Alright, you're good. Those can just go in that bolt bin. That's where I've been throwing them for now. I'll organize all the bolts out of it later. So this is easier. Oh, you bitch. Dikes are the best thing ever in the world to grab the cotter pins out with, because they grab onto it. I just kind of... Gonna hold that right there for a minute. This is weird.
You're weird.
I know I'm weird. That's why I'm broken. That's why we hang out.
That's why you're broken?
I don't know.
I can think of so many different reasons.
Alright. I took the ABS sensor out on this side. I'm going to try and retain the ABS since Izzy will probably be driving this in the wintertime.
Alright, so we gotta pull that.
I'm going to zap the track bar off because we've got a whole new bracket. So it's these two 18s and these two 18s, and then that comes off. And then it's just the upper control arms. Drive shaft's already fucking loose.
Brake lines.
I'm gonna take the caliper off and then hang it right here for now. That way I can just deal with this later. That's an 18, 17.
Hey, what size are the uppers?
15s.
You done with that long 15?
Uh-huh.
You done with that long 15?
Yeah. I will eventually get used to doing shit one-handed.
What?
One-handed. You got that hammer on your side? Rejection. Why, for the nuts on the inside?
Nope.
5/8, 16. Those are both the same. Here, this is for the ABS sensor at the axle. Well, that's unfortunate. Please? No. Okay. Oh. Maybe one day. Oh. Jesus. I gotta let this axle droop a little bit.
Did you pull that upper control yet?
No, I'm working on the track bar right now. I'm just trying to get that spring to...
Trying to get that bolt off for the upper control.
Well, we might have a better shot after this track bar's out. We got that other long extension over there.
Turn me on, then you turn me back on by the weekend. And you won't say the words that I want, but you flirt with me. I see my bubbles pop up like your text and then they disappear. Let's cut through the shit and let's get to what we're doing. I was just fantasy.
This is... Alright, I got it. Fuck. You can just let it hang. Get that out from around there. Nope. It's all out.
All those things.
Just gotta cut those off.
In it. You have the magazine release right here.
Do we need to pull that drive shaft completely out of your way to get the inside?
I don't know. I asked so.
Do you want a creeper? Yeah or no?
Yeah.
Okay.
I didn't think that one through.
Huh?
I didn't think that one through.
pretty fucking solid.
She's coming right here.
Is it?
Yep.